it's not just the war over Sam Pitroda's remarks that has exploded. The BJP and the Congress have locked horns before this as well. Prior to the war of words over the inheritance tax remarks, the Congress's vow to conduct a wealth survey has also been slammed by the ruling party. Prime Minister Modi has expressed worry over the grand old party's promise to conduct a wealth survey. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi has hit back, stating that the BJP is panicking and is taking recourse to attacking the Congress over this issue rather than focusing on their own work. He has, in fact, reiterated that the Congress's vow to conduct a caste and a wealth census will in fact be realized if the Congress is voted to power, and he has deemed it his personal guarantee. Now, Prime Minister Modi, while in fact making these statements against the Congress, has warned that the grand old party will snatch people's properties and will also go to the extent of even snatching the Mangal Sutra of women. Now, this has triggered a political storm. In fact, there are several reactions that are coming in. In fact, my colleague Arzu has spoken exclusively to Aam Aadmi Party leader Somnath Bharati on the Prime Minister Modi's statements. Let's in fact listen in.
Right now what we are seeing is manifesto war is going on in the country, and as you are in the alliance with the Congress, so I want to ask, because Prime Minister is continuously raising the issue of Mangal Sutra, and he has mentioned that if Congress come to power or India Alliance come to power, they will sell the Mangal Sutra of women, of their mother and daughter, and that the money will be given to a particular community. What do you want to say on this?
This is most unfortunate. Somebody who was voted to power twice by a massive mandate in India as a PM, I think such statements demean the position of Prime Ministership. Today the country is watching that instead of counting his achievements and telling people on the lines of what Mr. Kejriwal is to do, every election Kejriwal used to say, "Kaam kiya hai to vote do, kaam nahi kiya hai to vote na do." Does Mr. Modi have courage to say so in the election campaign? No. He has sort of brought the standards in politics in India so low, people are looking with a lot of apathy. And I think this talk of Mangal Sutra will go very against him, because women are very angry. Mangal Sutra is a very sacrosanct affair in India, and Mangal Sutra signifies marital status, and it's a very pious symbol of relationship. I think, he has never respected marital relationships. So he doesn't know the importance of this. He first ridiculed women by Notbandi, if you recall, कि बहनों ने जहाँ जहाँ पैसा इकट्ठा किया सब निकालना पड़ा. So women in India, they are fulcrum of the family. So they are the ones who run the family. So they, for rainy days, they do store money. That money was brought out by force by Mr. Modi. Today he has commented on something so private, so pious, that women will not forgive him. Women will vote against him and will teach him a lesson. Manifesto of Congress, I mean, is this your discussion? And how could you link it to Hindu-Muslim? So his mastery is over Hindu-Muslim, because he has done MA in entire political science. In no political science such a thing is taught. From wherever he has done entire political science, so entire political science course may have such things to be taught. So we need to see that MA in entire political science will succeed, or Baba Saheb Ambedkar's constitution will succeed.
It's not just the allies of the Congress that have reacted to the Prime Minister's statement. In fact, today itself, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has also spoken about this. Let's listen into his statement as well.
Prime Minister, Honorable Minister's speech, he is speaking on Mangala Sutra. Priyanka Gandhi herself, with a deep heart, she said that Madam Sonia Gandhi has lost her Mangala Sutra for the sake of this nation, country's integrity, and to protect the country. So, as far as the Congress party is concerned, we believe in our culture, We believe in all religions. We respect the Mangala Sutra is a very important part of every female. We respect it.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.